Get ready to supercharge your TikTok game. Today's video is your ultimate guide to making your TikTok videos shine. Whether you're a TikTok novice or aiming for viral fame, these tips will set you on the path to success. Number 1. Who can benefit from these tips? Let's start by talking about who can benefit from these game-changing tips. Picture this. You're a business owner looking to expand your brand's reach, a content creator hungry for more views, or maybe just someone who wants their videos to stand out in the bustling world of TikTok. But that's not all. If you're itching to ride the wave of a viral video, or perhaps you're eager to refine your video editing skills, stay tuned. Number 2. Why it's important to stand out. Standing out on TikTok is like having a golden ticket to the front row. It means your videos get noticed, followers start flocking, and your content might even go viral. Remember, it all starts with authenticity and thinking outside the box. Number 3. Finding your niche and consistency. Imagine you're into fashion, cooking, or pet tricks. That's your niche. Cater your content to what you love, and you'll attract an audience that shares your passion. But here's the secret sauce: consistency. Regular posting keeps your viewers engaged, and those magic hashtags? They're the key to boosting your video's visibility. Number 4. Creating engaging content and being creative. Let's dive into creating engaging content that sticks. Think funny skits, mind-blowing facts, or intriguing stories. And the best part? Your creativity is your superpower. Try out different ideas, lip syncs, dance challenges, or hilarious duets. Be brave, and your videos will dazzle. Number 5. Editing and enhancing videos. Editing is where the magic happens. Use filters, effects, and transitions to add flair to your videos. Ever seen those stunning text overlays or cool music syncing? That's the result of skillful editing. Your videos will thank you for it. Number 6. Promoting videos and engaging with others. Time to spread the word. Sharing your TikTok content on Instagram, Twitter, or other platforms introduces your videos to a broader audience. And don't be a silent watcher. Like, comment, and share videos from others. It's a fantastic way to make connections and boost your visibility. Before we dive deeper, show some love by hitting that like button and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more insider tips, don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more coming your way. Number 7. Utilizing TikTok trends and analytics. Staying on trend is essential. Riding the waves of trending sounds, hashtags, and challenges puts your videos in the spotlight. Plus, TikTok's analytics are your guiding compass. Keep track of what works and what doesn't, and tailor your strategy accordingly. Number 8. Timing for best results. Timing is key. Know your audience's active hours and post during those windows. Think afternoons, evenings, or weekends. And remember, timing can play a huge role in boosting your video's reach. Number 9. Benefits of being yourself and being patient. Authenticity rules. Be genuine, and your audience will connect with you on a deeper level. But remember, growth takes time. Don't be discouraged if you don't see instant results. Stay true, and your hard work will pay off. If these tips fired you up, show us some love with a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you on board. Your TikTok journey is just beginning, so embrace the adventure and watch your videos light up the platform. Thanks for hanging out with us today. If you're hungry for more wisdom, explore our related content and connect with us on social media. Until next time, keep rocking those TikTok videos like a true star.